Out to my cameraman, Alvin. Farewell, iPad Pro. I got it in the plastic, but I need to restore it. Yeah, I can erase it on the device.
You go right here.
It's good?
Yeah.
Yo, this iPad is fire, son. I love it, though.
And you basically just print it out?
Nah, like my professors give us the PDF, and I just download it and I just write things.
And then you just show them like that?
Nah, all the work she collected through online.
Oh, okay. Because not all teachers do that.
Erase. It was nice. It was beautiful. I gotta restore all my data, but it's pretty good though.
Farewell.
Yeah, he was recording?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, yes. Everything about that new iPad is flat out amazing. But coming from an iPad Pro, where's my iPad Pro? Where is it? There it is. Coming from an iPad Pro already, this is the iPad Pro 9.7 inch. I feel like I don't really need the upgrade. This is not really a necessary upgrade for me. If you're coming from an iPad 2 or iPad 1 or iPad 3 or iPad 4, this is gonna be a big upgrade for you. But coming from an iPad Pro already, and I updated to iOS 12.1 recently, all those features that the new iPad Pro can do, I can pretty much do it on my old iPad Air. You know, I still have the gestures, I still have the time on the left side, I still have control center on the top right. You know, it's pretty much exactly the same away from the display and obviously away from the hardware, obviously, and the camera and stuff like that. But for the most part, I use my iPad for mostly surfing the web, going on YouTube, and yes, I use the Apple Pencil, and yes, the ProMotion display looks buttery smooth, but is it really worth that money? You know, this new iPad almost costs $1,000. Pretty much it is $1,000. Once you spend the money on the iPad, then you gotta spend another $130 on the Apple Pencil. That's pretty much $1,000. So yes, it is pretty expensive, and that's probably one of the main reasons why I returned it, because the price was too goddamn high. It was pretty too high. I mean, this iPad when it first came out was $600. The fact how the iPad prices are just skyrocketing like crazy, and this was only 2 years ago. And it's still thin, it still gets the job done. I still have all my apps, Notability, Procreate, and it works just fine. But overall, I am gonna miss the iPad. You guys know I'm an Apple guy, but just the price, I feel like now is not the time. iPad, and yes, I made a bunch of videos, and yes, you can even check out some iPad Pro videos that I made on this one, because pretty much it's the same. It's pretty much the same thing. An iPad Pro is an iPad Pro. A regular iPad is just a regular iPad. But at the end of the day, it's an iPad. If that makes any kind of sense. And it's crazy because this device has True Tone. It has a flash in the back. Like, this iPad was really, like, it still holds up today. And it even has a headphone jack. This iPad is still very, very capable. I would say the next 2 years, I'm definitely upgrading my iPad Pro. Once Apple stops supporting this device with software updates, that's the time to update your device or upgrade your devices. And really perfect example, like the iPhone 5S is the last one to support iOS 12, so it's pretty much time to upgrade that device. And same thing with the iPad Pro. I mean, this has the A9X chip, right? So I would say maybe 2 more years. Or yeah, 2 more years exactly, is going to be on this last leg pretty much once I keep on updating this. And the thing with these devices, you're pretty much forced to update, because once you start downloading certain apps, it's going to require you to have the latest version of iOS. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's why I returned my iPad Pro 2018. I hope you guys understand. Comment down below, do you have an iPad Pro 2018? Throw something down in the comments. Let's have a conversation about this. Drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. And other than that, your boy Pops. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I don't have a Snapchat. I do have a Snapchat, but I'm not on it, so don't even waste your time adding me. Alright guys, until next time. Peace.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here back with another review of the Sprite bottle versus the Minute Maid lemonade.